Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on Do Not Disturb mode on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the side button to wake the watch's screen. Then swipe from left to right on the watch's home screen to open the quick panel. Tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and tap on Do Not Disturb. Tap Enable Now and then tap the tick to enable Do Not Disturb mode. You can create a Do Not Disturb schedule by tapping Schedule. Tap the tick and then choose the times that you would like Do Not Disturb mode to automatically begin and end. Then tap the tick to confirm. With Schedule enabled, Do Not Disturb mode will automatically turn on and off at the times you selected. You can also turn on Do Not Disturb mode quickly from the quick panel. To do this, swipe from left to right on the home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap the moon icon to turn on Do Not Disturb mode. When the icon is blue, Do Not Disturb mode is turned on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.